Hey there, future Binance pros. Ready to master cryptocurrency trading on Binance in just 2 minutes? Let's dive right in. First up, you've got to create a Binance account. Head over to binance.com, click on register, and fill in your details. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. Now it's time to deposit funds. You've got options here. You can fund your account with fiat currency like USD or EUR, or you can use cryptocurrency. Just go to your wallet, click on deposit, and follow the instructions. Easy, right? Next step, choosing a trading pair. A trading pair consists of two cryptocurrencies you can trade against each other. For example, BTC USDT means you're trading Bitcoin for Tether. Head to the Markets tab and pick your pair. All right, so you're all set up. Time to place a trade. Go to the Trade tab, choose either Classic or Advanced, and you'll see the trading interface. Here, you can place a market order, which buys or sells at the current market price, or a limit order, which lets you set the price you want to buy or sell at. And don't forget to keep an eye on the charts. Binance offers real-time data and a range of tools to help you make informed decisions. One last tip, always do your own research and be aware of the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. The market can be super volatile, so trade wisely. There you have it, your quick guide to trading on Binance. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and happy trading!